What's up guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So as you guys can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we are going to be using this tool right here to do some mini twists. Now you guys know I've never really done a mini twist before, unfortunately, because I never have the time to, or I can never get the twist as small and tight as neat as possible, or I'm just really too lazy to actually do it and get it done, which kind of sucks. But we are going to test it out today to see if this can do my hair in neat mini twists. Now you guys know I've already done a video on this tool, just basically testing it out on dirty hair to see if you can do that wet hair, dry hair, and whatever type of hair you guys have, and it actually worked. So I'm really excited to see if it actually works today to actually style my hair and do this twist. If it did work, you guys are clearly seeing this video and you guys are clearly going to see how I do it. But if it didn't work, well, this video does not exist. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I am on the way to 100,000 subscribers this year, 2019. So without further ado, let's just go on into the video. I'm gonna actually pop my hair and section my hair really precise, so that's why I have this comb here, and I'm gonna make sure I'm doing everything as neat as possible because like I said, I want it to be a neat mini twist. Okay, so first part down, hopefully it's straight. I don't know. It's my leave-in conditioner. Okay, so for this tool you want to make sure your hands are slightly dry, more dry than normal. The products that remain on your hand to your hair, or just wipe it off in a towel, because trying to grip this is no joke. All right, and now you're gonna push it. Is it down first or up first? Go with down first. Nope, wrong way. Oops. So as you guys can see, it twisted pretty good. The roots though need a little working on. So I'm gonna probably try to retry this because that is unacceptable. So up first. There we go, much tighter. And now we're gonna go down. Alright, so I'm gonna release this and then twist the rest. Ha! Ah! What? Okay, and now we're gonna go down. I think that's what it is. You guys definitely have to do smaller sections on the hair. Alright, so let's try a section one more time. This. Oh shoot. Ah! It's like one side is getting tight, the other side isn't, but hopefully it's good enough because this side is way too tight. So now let's twist it down. All right, damn. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair, well, the majority of my hair off camera. I'm gonna come back to the front sections for you guys so you guys can actually see on camera, because right now you guys really can't see and I'm really struggling over here. Okay guys, so I am back by popular demand. It literally took me at least an hour to get just the back done. Now I'm not gonna lie, like these two here, I did with my hand because I couldn't see and it's just getting frustrated in the back there. But besides that, everything I did on with the machine itself. And as you guys can tell, there's probably some that's not that perfect because look at the roots. Like I really tried with the roots. By the time I let go, it just, you know, it just didn't do what it needs to do. Okay, so I already parted down in the center, which is clearly not straight. What the heck? Because my hair is just literally fully dried, I have to continuously wet it with my water bottle. I'm just mixing all the product in my hand right now because I got things to do and I'm running out of time, unfortunately. So we're gonna be taking some shortcuts. I will say with this tool, you definitely have to find the time because it definitely takes longer than doing it with your bare hands, okay? This thing is a process. Like, what do I get myself into with these videos? Now release. As you guys can see, this is a no-no. A no, 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 no. Okay, so the hair is kind of dry at the moment. I'm gonna give you guys a whole turn around to see how the hair looks. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm not too proud of how this one tool worked to twist my hair. In certain areas it came out really well, but the roots was my main problem. I really and truly have no idea how the back looks, so I'm hoping that it looks fine. But my final thoughts on this tool, I don't know. I really don't know. For my length here, I don't think it worked too well because I did see clips on Instagram with people with shorter, thicker hair textures using this tool and their twists came out really well and really neat, which I'm really surprised about. So when I saw it, I was like, okay, maybe this tool could give me the bomb mini twist that I desire, but I think my hair is just a little too long for the tool. So because it takes a while for it to twist separately and it goes up and up and up. One side twists tighter than the other. So I have to wait for the other side to twist, and then once this side twists, it's tightening, and then you have to... That's the whole gist of it. If you guys have it and you used it and it worked, let me know down in the comments below. If you guys have the same problem as me, still let me know, and let me know if you guys did anything differently at all on there, so that way your twists come out a little bit neater than mine did. But all in all, the tool did work. I can't wait to see how it looks when I take it down because it did twist it around really tight in the lengthwise. It's just the roots that always take a little bit longer to be twisted a little bit tighter, but definitely this end, the body part of the twist, definitely was tight. So I can't wait to see how it looks when I'm taking it down. If you guys want to see a part 2 to this video of me taking it down after styling my hair with the tool, thumbs up this video, let me know in the comments, and you guys will see me in part 2 of this video. So yeah, peace.